Autonomous begins here in qualification match number 64. We see a red gear deployed right on their way up to the first rotor on that airship. Red will pick up 60 points for the Auton rotor. So will the Blue Alliance, though. They also get an additional gear, it looks like, placed from both teams. So at the end of Autonomous, each team gets 15 points for crossing the baseline and 60 for their first rotor turning. Blue right away gets their second, 40 more points for the Blue Alliance. Red is almost there. They need another gear to make it happen. 126 on the Blue Alliance Gale Force, zooming downfield, grabbing more gears for the Blue Alliance airship. Red Alliance robots trying to make their way on down. Andromeda 1 has a gear in their possession. They swerve around to one of the corners of the airship while one of the pilots up in the airship puts up 40 more points and a second rotor for the Red Alliance. We're still all tied up here. We got 3 rotors, though, now turning for the Blue Alliance. That'll edge them out a lead of 40 points. That means 155 for the Blue, 115 for the Red. All 6 robots in this match focusing on some gears, getting them from their human players in the corners, bringing them back to the airship. Blue Alliance still has 3 rotors. Red Alliance needs 1 more for their third. And it looks like 5150, that's Hybrid Hornets from Michigan. They will be the one to drop it off. They line on up, pilot pulls it up. And now another gear also up. We have 3 rotors turning for the Red Alliance. Blue working on their fourth. They need 2 more, 1 more. Another gear's up. Red Alliance, though, now does have the advantage on the board. 180 for the Red Alliance, 155 for the Blue. Red Alliance very quickly, they have placed a few fuel into that boiler. That's going to give them 1 point in case we end up with a tie situation here with 4 rotors turning on each. These robots working very, very hard. Blue Alliance, though, now does pull the advantage. They have 4 rotors turning, 195 points now for the Blue Alliance. 30 seconds remain, ropes are deployed. Red Alliance is going to need all 3 robots hanging here to tough it out. But they are also getting closer and closer with some kilopascal points. So you have 18 seconds left, 10 points separate these teams. 1 blue robot is up, make that 3. All 3 Blue Alliance robots up in the air, lights are up. 5150, they are on up for 50 points. The other 2 robots still on the ground. We're at 5 seconds remaining. 2, 1. Another 4-rotor match for our Blue Alliance here on this field, and they were your winner. Blue Alliance scores 345 points, Red Alliance with 285.